Stacy Ray's travel tips. Stacy.
And now I want to talk about the Unlimited Package Warrior. Number 5 on our list of the 10 most annoying cruise passengers. We're going to have a separate conversation about drink packages another time because, and let me say this loud and clear, the math ain't mathin' on that like you think it is. But that's not what we're here talking about. Because for the Unlimited Package Warrior, this is not about math, it is about a mission. And you'll spot them early. There's a sense of purpose, a commitment to the idea that if a drink package has been purchased, then it must be honored to its fullest potential. And by fullest potential, I mean we're not stopping until this stops being fun for everyone involved. Morning cocktails. By noon, there's momentum. By mid-afternoon, we're entering a completely different phase. Because the goal, whether stated or not, is to reach that very specific point where the value has been extracted. And listen, I really do understand the logic. You don't want to leave anything unused. But at some point, the experience stops being indulgent and starts becoming endurance. The conversations get louder. The walking gets more interpretive. And what's fascinating is that cruise ships are one of the easiest places to pace yourself. The bars aren't going anywhere, and the options are endless. You could have one drink, or 5, or none at all, and the experience would still be exactly what you make of it. And yet, the Unlimited Package Warrior approaches it like a limited time offer. Maximize or regret it. When in reality, the only thing being used up is the day. And possibly your dignity somewhere around drink number 8.